Hi guys, how are all of you? So, you guys must be home due to this pandemic. So, you guys must be learning through your devices, which is e-learning. So, today I'm going to show you some strategies and ways you can follow to be upgraded in your work because during this e-learning, I know it's kind of hard for you guys to follow up with your teachers. So then I'm going to show some ways and strategies. Okay, so online classes, a new platform for learning. So it's the first time we are using this platform for learning. Okay guys, let's go to the next slide. So there are some things which you guys need to know. Try to be familiar with the application which your college or school is using. So some of you must be using Microsoft Teams, some of you will be using WebEx, and or Zoom or WhatsApp call. Whatever you're using, you must be familiar with the thing. Check and understand the different features available in the application, but don't misuse the application for other work. So guys, consider the classes just as your regular classroom hours. So whenever you're doing something, just think of it as your class. So never do something bad due to some features in that application. So make sure that you strictly keep the time as per the timetable. Be punctual. That means as you're in school, you have each period. So according to that, you have to be at home also during this e-learning time. So the next one is try to make use of the traveling time to and fro the school on your regular school days. So guys, you have to not just attend the school and then go. You have to make sure what teacher is teaching. So you guys must listen to what teacher is saying, and you must always um, understand and listen to her or him. So plan regular indoor exercise in order to make use of the time. So guys, after your school, you guys will have mostly homework. Okay, yeah, that will take something like 1 hour something, but after that, you guys will be sitting free. So why not do some exercise? Since you guys are not going outside, you can take any from YouTube. You can take any exercise video, 20 minute, 30 minute, but do exercise regularly, which will strengthen your body and will increase your immunity. So I'm going to set some strategies for you guys to upgrade your work. So, guys, set your own goals and upgrade yourself according to the situation. If any homework is given, complete that homework. Be punctual, be smart, and be intelligent every time. Do exercise. Yeah, you must always plan. You must always plan for the um, things you're going to do. So, that's the second point. Allot your time for students as well as creative and leisure activities at home, and also make sure that you are strictly keeping it. So you must strictly keep it. This much time for leisure activities or this much time for studying. Of course, you will have something like 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock for learning, but after that you will have time. So manage your time and always be productive with your work. And next, always allot time to be engaged with your parents and siblings. So guys, since we're all close to our family, I encourage you guys to help your mom and dad either by cooking, helping your mom in cooking, or washing your clothes according to your age. So always be helpful to your parents and siblings in your leisure time. So if that's the continuation, that means that if you want and do like that, you will have a bet you will feel happiness more than going outside. Also, being with your family is better, and help them, and you will create a better relationship with your family than other school days, in which you see your family very little time. You can talk with them, eat with them, So acts of empathy will help yourself to enhance the positive energy. So as I told, spread positive energy with everyone during this time. Everyone is in a negative mood, so if you spread, it may help somebody else. Never allow the situation rule you, but you rule the situation brilliantly. So guys, as I told, never allow your emotions to rule you, like in the last video which I told you. If you guys want to go back, please go back and see that video. So never let your emotions rule you, but you have to rule it and uh, solve the situation brilliantly or and smartly, and that's how we know that you guys are clever. So guys, make a timetable for yourself. Keep in mind that time is precious, okay? And allot the time according to your priorities. So make a timetable for yourself, which is the last point. Keep things which are prior to you. First of all, playing you can do after some time. I'm not telling you cannot do it, but then there is some time, some extent to which you can do it. And plus you have to prioritize things. If you have to do a homework and you have to play, you have to do the homework first, since that is the more priority, and allow the time according to your priorities. Yeah, this is the same thing. And keep the class timings strictly. Always be punctual and come to class on time, and log in to the whichever app you're supposed to, and you have to sign in, log in, whatever, and then enter the class on time. At least open your tab or computer by 10 minutes before, okay guys? And make sure that you're completing the notes and homework on time. Never allow it to be piled up. So if you because of this, that's what I told, make a timetable for yourself, otherwise the work will be piled up, the homeworks will be piled up, and at last you won't be able to submit on time. And go through the particular topic in a glance at least once before the class. Every time before the class, always keep the textbook and notebook near you, so that you can follow up with what the teacher is saying. And if you want, you can take a glance at it, or or look at it and read it one time or something, so that you can answer well when your teacher asks. So, and the next point is, avoid distractions in the class hours. Be in a private place, in either your bedroom, your hall, or whatever, but avoid distractions like your little brother, your little sister. Avoid those kind of distractions for coming and disturbing you during these class hours. Okay guys, so this was our action plan. Let's go. These are some of the quotes. You can't change what's going on around you unless you can change what's going on within you. So, guys, during this time, you cannot look on changing things around you unless you change what's going on within you. Change your character, then everybody will change theirs. So, this is one another. When it rains, it pours, but soon the sun shines again. Stay positive, better days are on their way. So, guys, let's all hope for a new coming to this pandemic, and let's all hope for a better day. Be happy, stay safe. So, thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I hope you share it with your friends. Please share it with all your friends, and please like, share, and subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. So stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.